Today we're checking out the brand new Venture Hauler Pack from Bellroy. It's optimized for the outdoors, and these types of bags are usually used for things like rock climbing, but I think it's also a great option for a longer term trip like backpacking through Europe. The Venture Hauler Pack comes in at 28 inches by 13 inches by 10 inches with a total capacity of 57 liters, and the bag weighs 3.3 pounds. The exterior is made with a mix of mostly recycled nylon and polyester, and it includes a coating for extra water resistance. The bag also features lockable YKK zippers. It comes in two colorways, including the Deep Ocean I have here, and it's going to run you $299 US. Now, let's quickly check out the features of this bag. You've got large Bellroy branding on the front, grab handles on the top and the sides, compression straps on the sides, a quick access pocket on the side, a top zippered pocket, a clamshell-styled main compartment that opens via the back of the bag. Inside you'll find one large zipper pocket. On the back you'll find a luggage pass-through and tuck-away shoulder straps. There's also a removable sternum strap. Just a heads up, there is no admin panel, no laptop compartment, and no water bottle pockets. This is a bag intended for adventure travel or backpacking. Now let's pack this thing up for a month-long trip to see what we can fit inside. Remember, everybody packs differently, so be sure to envision what you would bring along as I pack this thing out. Also to note, I bring laundry strips to do sink laundry throughout the trip, so we'll be packing about 10 days worth of clothing in addition to the clothes on my body. So that's the brand new Venture Hauler Pack from Bellroy. While this isn't my normal style of backpack, and it's definitely the largest that I've reviewed on this channel, I do think it's a pretty versatile bag that will appeal to a lot of different people. In testing this bag, I think it can be used for so many different things, from rock climbing to extended backpacking travel. This thing is heavy duty, durable, and will definitely stand up to the elements. Another great use case for this bag is sports. I played soccer growing up, and I could totally see this bag being used as a soccer bag. With its large main pocket, you can throw in soccer balls, jerseys, socks, cleats. That top zippered pocket is a great spot to throw dirty clothes after the game as well. But let me know what you think of this bag in the comments below. Is it too much of a departure for Bellroy, or do you like that they are branching out a little bit with their design? Also, be sure to check out my other review of the brand new Venture Grab bag if you dig this one. As always, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.